you have been given an array of happiness. So there is an array of happiness with a length n, and all of the value inside the array, it is positive integer. So the statement says there are n children starting in the queue where the I children has the happiness value of happiness I, means the children at index 0 over here has happiness value of 1, since the children also the uh, children at index 1 has a happiness value of 2. So that is what it says, and let me check what we need to find. So you want to select the k children, means we have to select the 2 children in our first example, and it says in each turn when you select a children, the happiness value of all the children that have not been selected till now decreases by 1. So suppose if I selected 1 at first, then k is going to be 2 minus 1, it is going to be 1. Alright, so in the second turn, in this second time, our happiness is going to be 1 comma 3. So I'm just that means we need to subtract the value, right? And what it says is, if we cancel it first, so it says that the happiness value, if happiness value cannot become negative, and it can be only decremented if it is positive. So if the happiness value becomes 0, suppose if there is an array of 1 comma 1 comma 1 and k equals to 3, and at first you will get 1, right? And then you have to subtract the value. That means it will become 0 and 0, while k becomes 2. Then it cannot become less than 0. That is, we cannot go lesser than 0, right? uh, so I think that is clear as well. And what it says at the final statement, so it says we need to return the maximum sum of the happiness values of the selected children. So if k equals to 2, then we have to find the maximum sum that we can select from here. So that can be, so the maximum can be, at first the maximum value over here is 3, so that is 3, and after taking the 3, k is going to be 2 minus 1, that is going to be 1, right? And we have to subtract 1 to the remaining array, so that is so if we subtract 1 to the remaining array, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, and 2 minus 1 is 1. In that case, since our first maximum happiness is 3 and the second maximum happiness is 1, that is 3 plus 1 is 4. That means our final answer is going to be 4 over here. And